Hey, woke up this morning, checked the inbox, and saw a great update from the great folks at FluentCart Pro. Once I saw what they had enabled and how you could use that with LifterLMS, I thought we would jump in and do just a kind of a quick recap of what the new bundles feature is with FluentCart and how people could use that with LifterLMS. Let me jump into a screen share here with you real quick, and I'm going to make myself smaller, make the screen bigger. And here you see we're diving into one of our demo sites. I'm going to go to FluentCart. We're going to go down to products, and you'll see a list of products that we've already made for our demo site. And you can see like what's published, what's in draft, what's physical, all of that. But we're going to make a new product. So click add product. And I think we'll just call this product. And this, again, is just to show off the new bundle feature. You'll see down here, you can choose whether it's a physical product or a digital product. I'm going to leave it selected as digital, but I'm going to say add as a bundle. Then we're going to add that product. Now that's going to open the product edit page. So here's where we go in and we put in our title, our short description, and our long description. The short description is just like kind of like the byline up by the main title on the product page. You'll see that on the product page, but I make these short. So this course bundle includes access to our course, coaching, let's say a coffee mug and a shirt. There we go. And for long description, I'm just going to put lorem ipsum giant paragraph. All right. And you understand that when you use lorem ipsum, that's the, kind of that placeholder text that people have. Now, if we look down here, this is where we add our pricing, and we can choose between one-time pricing or subscription. Since this is a bundle and we're selling physical goods as well, I'm doing this as a one-time purchase. I'm going to say it's $1,000 and the normal price is $5,000. And I can actually use the cart to, kind of calculate my profit. So let's say it's $25 for me to make these, and that'll show my profit, my margin for each sale. And I'm going to say that it's a physical product because of the goods that we're going to ship with, the t-shirt and the mug. And this is where I need to add shipping. So I'm just going to say United States Postal Service. And let's just say it's going to be $5.99. It's a fixed amount for each sale. Makes things easy. Let's go ahead and save that. Next, and I'll go ahead and take my face out of the picture, is selecting the bundled items. At the bottom, because we selected bundle, we open up this menu. And here's where we get a list of all of our products and the products that we want to bundle as part of this bundle. So this is where we connect everything together. So yes, I'm going to select the course. I've already got the shirt. I'm going to say a hat. And you can see here where it's selecting those three things and putting them right there in our selector. So now let's pick some media, some pictures to go with our products. Let's grab a picture of a shirt real quick. We'll grab a picture from our course. We'll put that right there. Here we go. And let's grab a picture of a cap. That's a nice color. Slap that in. Now notice, if you want to change the featured image, you can just drag whichever one you want to the right position for the featured image. And for categories here, I think I'll select courses and menswear since we're covering items in both categories. And I don't really have any brands set up in the demo site yet, so we're going to pass on that. Now in status, let's go ahead and select publish. And at the top right in the black button, we're going to select update. So publish and then update. All right, we get our success flag telling us that we have successfully created our product. We can take a list of our products. And if we like, we can go take a look at what the product page looks like. And here's where we see our course bundle with book. Comes with the course, the shirt, the hat, related products. All right. If we were to select buy now, it's going to open up into our purchase page, our checkout. And here's where we can go ahead and add our payment information and get ourselves going. And folks, that is a roundabout. Let me go ahead and remove this, get back up on screen here. That is roundabout the features and benefits of bundles inside FluentCart Pro. Now, if you are an avid user of LifterLMS and you're used to the idea that we have, access plans, and each of our products has up to 6 access plans that you can leverage. So you're able to come up with different ways to sell your courses. So let's say in LifterLMS and the native payment gateway, I have a course and I want to offer people the course. That's one access plan. Then maybe there's a course with a workbook. It's a different price. It's a different access plan. Let's say there's a course with a workbook and one-on-one consulting. That's a different package. So that would be a different access plan. I can have up to 6 access plans for each product in LifterLMS. Now, some people want a little more flexibility than that. Some people want to be able to mix their digital products with physical products, coffee mugs, tapestries, handbags, books. In that case, they're probably going to want to leverage a shopping cart. And so FluentCart enables you to have the physical items, the digital items, but also bundle those together through this new update. And that's what this video has been about. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I think so.